Good morning, my dear students. So we are going to learn today chapter 1, Planning My Birthday. What's the heading? Planning My Birthday. So before we learn about blends, do you remember that blends? In this heading, can you find blends here? Can you find blends? As PL. PL is one blend. How it's read? PL. Pill. Pill. One blend. And can you find any other blends here? One more blend. TH. TH. What's the sound of the TH? Th. So here also you can see two blends. PL. Pill. And TH. Th. So just remind that. Planning my birthday. Planning my birthday. Here R is silent. One more thing, R is silent here. Don't say birthday. 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 Planning my birthday. Okay, so before going to learn this chapter, we have to learn some new words. You can see new words in your textbook, page number 2. So first new word is calendar. Calendar. First one is calendar. This I know this calendar is all familiar with you. Calendar is normally familiar. What's a calendar? What you can see in the calendar is, it's of course days, months, weeks in a year. That's a calendar. Can you see the phonics of this calendar? K, A, L, A, N, D, A, R. Calendar. Calendar. And so common mistake among you, D-E-R is wrong. It's D-A-R, calendar, not calendar. Calendar. D-E-R is wrong. D-A-R is correct. Calendar. Calendar. All of you know calendar very well. We can see months, weeks and days in a year. That's the calendar. So you can see one next picture is there. A boy is jumping. A boy is jumping there. Why is the boy is jumping? When you jump, if we have more happy, we jump. So that boy is jumping with more happy, more joy. So that word is excited. 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 How it's read this word? Excited. E-X-C-I-T-E-D. Excited. So before we learn the sound of the C is K, but we pronounce the sound of C is here. To know the reason, this is a simple reason. We have 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. If a word has the vowels E and I after the letter C, the sound of the C will be us. The sound of the C will be us. For example, here also you can see excited. Excited. What's the vowel here? This vowel is I here. So, the sound of the C become us here. Okay. If a vowel E come after the letter C, again the sound of the C come is, not K, is. Here, this is not center, center, center. Why? E comes after the letter C. Here, I comes after the letter C. So, the sound of the C is here. Okay. If a letter A comes after the letter C, it's always the sound K, C-A-R, K, K-A-R, car. But these two vowels, E and I comes after the letter C, the sound of the C change to is. So here the sound is. Excited. This is not excited. Excited. Excited means more happy. More happy. So when we are looking for something, just think or just imagine your father told you to buy a cycle for you. He will buy a cycle for you and you are waiting for this cycle. So are you happy or not that time? Yes, of course you are very happy. That time you are very happy. So you are waiting, eagerly waiting for that cycle. So you are very excited to see your cycle. That is excited. You are more happy. Excited means more happy. So this word, how it's read this word? Excited. Excited means more happy. Okay, the next picture. What do you see in the next picture? Somebody is inviting. Invite. I-N-V-I-T-E. I-N-V-I-T-E. Invite also. What's the meaning of invite? Invite means to ask or to ask to come. To ask to come for a party or a meeting or anything. Invite means to ask come. Invite. I-N-V-I-T-E. Invite. Here also the sound of the I is I itself. We already studied the sound of the I is E, but here the sound of the I is I. Because the E comes last. Whenever E comes last, E comes after the letter I, the sound of I will be I itself, the name of the, that means long vowel sound. You have already learned the long vowel sound and short vowel sound. So whenever E comes last, the sound of the I change to his long vowel sound. Name of the letter. Long vowel sound means name of the letter itself. So here the sound of the I is I. Invite. Invite. Invite means to ask to come for a party, wedding or a meeting or any meeting, to ask to come. So the next word is glitter powder. Glitter powder. Glitter powder. G-L-I-T-T-E-R. Glitter powder. I think this powder is more familiar to you. Glitter powder. It's a shining powder. The powder that shines. That is a glitter powder. G-L-I-T-T-E-R. Glitter. P-O-W-D-E-R. Powder. Glitter powder. Here also we can see one blend. G-L. G-L is a blend. Together we say gl. Gl. Glee. G-L-I. Glee. Glee. Glitter. Glitter. P-O-W, pow, pow, D-E-R, powder, glitter, powder. Glitter powder means a shining powder. It shines, the powder, it shines. The next word, number 5, sprinkle, sprinkle, S-P-R-I-N-K-L-E, sprinkle, sprinkle. SP is also another blend. Spur, 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 SP, spur, spur. We can say spur, spur, sprinkle. Here also E is silent. E is silent. That I told you before. Whenever E comes at the end, whenever E comes at the end of a word, E remains silent. He remained silent. Sprinkle. Sprinkle is in Kelicle. Sprinkle. Sprinkle. So for easy study, you can divide these words sprinkle. And the number 6. Sorry, it's over. Number 5. We have to learn 5 new words. Calendar, excited, invite, glitter powder and sprinkle. Calendar, excited, invite, glitter powder and sprinkle. So in your textbook you can see the meaning of these all new words. So here you can see the words in the left side and its meaning also. First one, calendar. Calendar, what's the meaning of calendar? A table showing months, weeks and days in a year. It's already done there. And you have to put numbers in the boxes. You have to put numbers. Number 2, excited. Number 2, excited. What's the meaning of excited? Excited means how you feel when you are looking forward to a happy time. How you feel. What's your feel when you are looking forward to a happy time? So excited means how you feel when you are looking forward to a happy time. Then number 3, invite. Number 3, invite. I-N-V-I-T-E, invite. What's the meaning of invite? To ask people to come to a party, wedding or meeting. To ask people to come to a party, wedding or meeting. That is invite. And the next word, number 4, glitter powder. Glitter powder. What's the meaning of glitter powder? Yes, glitter powder means a powder that shines. A powder that shines. And the next word, number 5, sprinkle. What's the meaning of sprinkle? Sprinkle means slowly drop little by little on something. Slowly drop little by little on something. Like we are pouring some salt on the rice. So we are pouring salt drop by drop. So in sprinkle means slowly drop little by little on something. That is sprinkle. So you have to do this exercise. I hope you understood well. Thank you.